Okie dokie, we've got another box here. Wasn't supposed to come till Monday, but it's arrived today, which is Saturday. Perfect. Let's see, first of all, where it's from. It's from House of Trembling Madness. They're in York, as far as I remember. So I'm going to get my trusty lethal scalpel, get this box opened up, and we'll see what's inside. Yep. Whoa. There we go. Lid back on so there's no accidents. And let's have a look inside, shall we? Now, parcel force man delivered it, rang the doorbell, handed it over with a sort of rugby tackle or rugby ball type pass. I went, "Cheers, Big G," and then disappeared. Yeah, who knows what that's all about. I've got some hair in here. Lovely. I'll muzzle that later. And what, oh, what's this? Sweeties! Just one sweetie. Thank you. Now what's this? It's my receipt. I'd have a little sit down, £95.53. And oh shit, one of them was a tenner, or one of them was £10.50. Yeah, that'd be why then, eh? Keep that for later. Take out the middle bit. Makes it easier to get them in and out. And I'll shift this over to the side. And we can, oops, my table nearly fell over. Let's see what's in here. Okay. First of all, Dark Hedges, 7.5%, Simcoe Pitcherine and Nelson's Sovereign Hopped Double India IPA. Who's this from? Hop Butcher. Sweet. Nice. Next up, Roman Double IPA, 8% from Drop Project. What's it say in the back of this? Not a lot. Vegan friendly though, so I have to stir it with a sausage. Nothing on the back of that one either. Tasting notes. What does it say? Ripe purple grape, dank greens, and bright tropical something. Next up, Beanie or Binny Brew, Over and Over the Manhole Cover, 10% triple IPA. Yeah, looking forward to that one. Next, Equilibrium Quantum Orchestra Double IPA, 8.5%. Beer balanced by science. Nice. Orchestrated Minds Brewing and Equilibrium. From New York. That's got a little QR code scan there, should you wish. Next up, one fell over. Double dry hopped Imperial IPA, Dr. Sake Rock Me from Magnify Brewing. That's 8% as well. Nothing interesting in the back. No, don't drink it when you're pregnant. Crafted in Fairfield, New Jersey. Nice. This one, because it fell over. Ziggy Stardog from Baron and Planet Beer TV. 8.2% double IPA. I'm quite liking a Baron just now. We've teamed up with Planet Beer TV to brew you a special double IPA. The beer formerly known as Bum Egg. Hop to the stars with some of our joint favourites. Nerdy bits, mashed to the brim of a mash tun, a bag of Vienna added for a bit of colour and biscuit, boiled with a small bittering charge. Bitterness kept low for this beer. a very big addition of hops at chilled whirlpool of Azaka and Motueka, if that's how you say it. Double dry hopped with Nelson, Azaka, Motueka and Galaxy. Cheers to Chris and Paul for their help. Artwork by Harry Wild. It's pretty cool. It's cold. I'll put it down. Ha. Another hop butcher. Blizzard of 67. Another triple. 10%. Citra, Mosaic, Eldorado and Aquanaut. Is that how you say it? Triple IPA. Looking good. Tasting notes in the back of that. Lush tropical, light resin and ripe berries, does that say? I should really put my glasses on. Next, Karate Gear. Double dry hop, double IPA from First Weizsäck, brewed in Berlin. It's a cool label. Nothing much in the back of that. Wow. Canned on the 3rd of February. Still fresh. Flock. Desire double IPA, because I always desire a flock. I love a bit of flock, 8%. This beaut of a double IPA bursts with tropical intensity. Nectaron, Citra, Nelson Sauvin and Mosaic deliver waves of peach, passion fruit, white grape and citrus, balanced by a smooth malt backbone and a resinous dark finish. Interesting. Sweet. White Dog Brewery. Stuck in Paranoid Mash. New England double IPA, 8.4%. Looking good. What's it saying in the back of this? Not a lot again. I do like whenever we story. I like the barcodes in a can. That's cool. 2 more. Overshadow double IPA. Look at that. That's a cool label. That's kind of Black Sabbathy. It's got some tons on it. It's from Fiddens or Fidens, however you want to pronounce that, from Albany, New York. And last one. 2 all. Is it just called hashtag maybe? It's a double IPA anyway. The mighty double IPA from 2 All City, explosively aromatic, fresh and fruity. Oh, it's from Denmark. I thought it was Norwegian, which is why I was saying Ol, which is Norwegian for beer. Funnily enough. But here we go. We've got some cracking beers here. Oh, I didn't read out the back of Over and Over the manhole cover. This one's a real hot chip off the block. See what we did there. Based on the very first beer we brewed. Under the manhole cover, this uses this Power Pack Triple IPA. Start again. Under the manhole cover, this Power Packed Triple IPA remains all we love about that. Tropical fruits, house blend of hops, balancing a lovely dryish bitter backbone, but with everything dialed up to 10. It's one you'll want to come back to over and over and over and over again. Like monkey with a miniature symbol. Cool. So there we are. This is from House of Trembling Madness in New York. I thought they'd done me dirty with the 24-hour shipping, but it's Easter weekend. I can't complain at all, can I? I'm just looking at my time, so I'm going to get my beard done in the next half hour. I want to get this unboxing done before I go out, so I can get it to you nerds later on over the weekend. But yeah, that is it.